You're watching Blowout TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular actress Funke Akindele, popularly known as Jennifer, gave a brand new home to veteran and comic actor Kayode Olasende Ajurebi, better known as Pa James. Ajurebi's house, located in Oke-Isagun community, Oke-Odo local government area, was taken over by flood. It was said to be a canal which overflowed into his compound and destroyed a lot of property. Nollywood actress Kemi Korede took to her Instagram page to announce the kind gesture and thank Funke Akindele on behalf of Pa James. However, Funke instructed her to delete the post. She does not like to be praised for helping people, but help people silently. Kemi Korede also thanked those who also helped the actor. She said,
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.